After setting up a Wild Apricot account, you can use the Wild Apricot app to manage your members, events, finances, and emails, anywhere, anytime. Admins can download the app from the Google Play Store by searching for Wild Apricot for Admins. Although this video focuses on the Android version, the iOS version offers the same features. Admins with Apple devices can find the app in the Apple Store.
Only full or role-based administrators can log into the admin app. To log in, use the email and password associated with your Wild Apricot account. If you manage multiple accounts, you'll be asked to select an organization after you log in. After logging in, swipe left to access the main navigation menu. This menu lists all available modules, including contacts, events, finances, and emails. We'll cover these modules in subsequent sections. You can access your app-specific settings through the Settings and Account modules. On the Settings module, you can manage push notifications, including alerts for pending membership applications and event registration limits being reached. The Account module allows you to log out, switch associations, or change your password. On the Contacts module, you can view, search for, and manage contacts within your database. The main screen organizes your contacts into tabs. On the General tab, you can select and view pre-filtered lists of contacts, such as All Contacts or All Members. You can also filter and search your contacts by saved searches, levels, or groups. To add a new contact or member, tap the plus icon. Use the search box to find contacts by name, organization, or email. Within any list, tap on a contact's name to open their profile. In a contact's profile, you can view their profile information, event registrations, and financial details from the tabs at the top of the screen. To manage a contact, tap the pencil icon. This allows you to edit their contact and membership information. If a contact is in pending status, you can approve or reject their membership if enabled for the level. On the Events tab, you can see which events the contact has registered for. Tap an event to view their registration details. From this screen, you can settle any unpaid invoices and quickly check them in for the event. On the Finances tab, admins can view a member's financial documents. To record a manual payment or view the details of any financial document, tap on a record within the list. To access the Events module, swipe left and tap Events. On the main screen, you'll see a list of groups of events by categories like All, Upcoming, and Past events. Tap a category to view its event list. Each event shows its status and the number of checked-in attendees compared to total registrants. Use the search box to find events by title or location. Tap an event to see its details, including fees collected and outstanding. You can quickly open or close the event for registration and view the event's ticket types and registration settings. You can also use the Check-in with QR code option to check in registrants at the door. Use the Action menu in the top right to edit the event's details, duplicate the event, email all registrants, or delete the event. You can view the registrants list on its dedicated tab. Use the plus icon to add a registrant to the main registration list or to the event's waitlist if enabled. From the Registrants tab, you can filter the list and tap any registrant to view or modify their details. If they have an unpaid balance, you can tap Pay next to the amount to record a manual payment. To check in attendees, simply tap the circle next to their name. Lastly, on the Waitlist tab, you can add registrants to the main registration list or waitlist using the plus icon and view the registration details of any waitlisted registrants. To access the Finances module, swipe left and tap Finances. On the main screen, you'll see groups of financial documents such as invoices, payments, refunds, and donations, sorted by date with the newest ones at the top. Tap a record, like an invoice, to view its details. If it's unpaid, you can tap Pay to record a manual payment, selecting the payment method and adding notes. In the top right, use the Action menu to send the invoice by email, edit internal notes, or void the invoice. When viewing a payment record, you can quickly jump to the associated contact's profile or view the invoice the payment is linked to. In the top right, use the Action menu on any financial document to send it by email or edit its details. Heading over to the Emails module, here you can view, send, and control the scheduling of manual emails.
Emails are organized into 3 tabs: Drafts, Scheduled, and Sent. By default, You only see emails you created. To view all administrator emails, toggle the view only created by me switch to the off position.
Tap on a draft email within the list to view its contents. If the draft email contains a recipients list, you can send or schedule the email for delivery.
On the Scheduled tab, you can view emails scheduled for delivery. Tap a scheduled email, then tap Scheduled again to view or cancel the delivery. Canceling a scheduled email will move the email back to the Drafts tab. Lastly, the Sent tab logs all manual emails already delivered. You can view the delivery status, including the number of successful recipients. Automatic system emails, such as membership renewal reminders, are not displayed here. Download the Wild Apricot Admin app today to manage your organization from anywhere, anytime.